Your brain functions like a bustling city, constantly predicting and updating its understanding of the world through predictive coding, comparing expectations with sensory inputs. Neuronal communication in cities' highways involves signals traveling between cortical neurons via neurotransmitters, such as acetylcholine and oxytocin, ensuring smooth traffic flow. Neuromodulation acts like the city's polarity and adjusts activity across microcircuits through neuropeptides and steroid hormones, influencing perception, synaptic plasticity, learning, and memory. Synchronous activity, especially gamma oscillations, coordinate neuronal firing across networks, akin to an orchestra harmonizing different sections to produce clear perceptual melodies. This synchronization supports sensory attenuation, filtering out noise to focus on relevant stimuli. Neuromodulators like oxytocin, released from the posterior pituitary, play key roles in social bonding and emotional awareness. They bind to receptors, activating G protein pathways that increase calcium signaling, enhancing synaptic strength. Oxytocin influences olfactory memory formation and social behaviors. Fluctuations can impact conditions like alexithymia, characterized by impaired emotional awareness. Interoception, the body's internal sensing, relays signals about stress, pain, temperature, hunger, nausea, and thirst through pathways to brain regions such as the insular cortex, anterior cingulate, and ventral medial prefrontal cortex. These areas integrate internal states with self-awareness and emotional salience. The hypothalamus, where nuclei like paraventricular and supraoptic regulates homeostasis by controlling temperature, appetite, and the autonomic nervous system, balancing sympathetic and parasympathetic responses. Signals from the skin and sensory pathways reach limbic structures like the amygdala, beta nucleus, and stria terminalis, shaping instincts, drives, and emotions. Neuronal processing in the medial prefrontal cortex anterior cingulate interprets internal and external cues, guiding behavior and emotional states. Central pattern generators produce rhythmic activities essential for vital functions like breathing and digestion. Underlying these processes are complex intracellular mechanisms, protein kinesis, calcium storage, magnesium, and methylation that modulate synaptic efficacy and plasticity, maintaining neural adaptability. The hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis, involved in corticotropin releasing hormone neurons, mediates stress responses to challenges. The brain constantly processes sensory inputs from light to touch, whether it's the smell of coffee for memories or gentle contact, activating neuropeptides like vasopressin and oxytocin. These neuropeptides influence social behavior, emotional salience, and microcircuit sensitivity, helping organize internal experiences. Whether sensing sunlight, a pinprick, or an emotion, your brain orchestrates a dynamic symphony of signals, predictive, adaptive, interconnected, to help you navigate the world with awareness, motivation, and curiosity.